Thank you guys for clicking on today's video. We are going to go over why you should invest. And I know this isn't my usual type of video, just like, quick little motivational videos. But hey, every once in a while, you got to throw a nice little clickbait out there to try to get some views to the channel. You know what I mean? All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is the fact that cash is dying. Warren Buffett says it. Literally, cash is going down in value. We've been knowing this. You always hear the sayings, oh, back in my day, a stick of gum was only a nickel. And now it's like, geez, like a couple dollars for a pack. Wow. Just saying it makes you realize how expensive things are nowadays. But yeah, if your money's sitting in your account, it's just losing value. You might as well at least put it into a brokerage account and do something with it. The next major reason out of the 3 major reasons that I'm going to be giving you guys today is the fact that investing is so easy. Now you might be like, what? No, it's not easy. Well, it's easy if you start off by indexing. I've covered many videos talking about this topic, but if you haven't seen those, go ahead and watch them. But in case you haven't, quick summary. Indexing is basically investing to a basket or collection of stocks that are trying to mimic the market returns. So generally speaking, no matter what, you should be at least matching the market, God forbid, beating the market a little bit with the fund you choose. And that's at around, between 9 to like 13% or so. And then if you want to take it a step further and learn how to invest and trade on your own, it's easy because you just got to watch all the videos that I have on my channel and you become a way better investor/trader. So go ahead and do that as well. And the third and final reason why you should invest is because of the lifestyle it provides for you. This really goes without saying, and this is probably where a lot of people are like, hey, that didn't really add value. That's a pretty boring thing to say in a video. But it's actually really, really, really true. If you just index, at least you have the peace of mind that when you're older, you'll be able to retire at a decent age. And if you're not doing that and you're learning how to trade instead, then at least, my goal is to help you guys learn enough to where you can at least make a few hundred, a few thousand. We're going to pretty much have the sky be your limit on how much you make per month and afford you at least passively go on vacations, maybe take some days off from work, do your thing. It all really depends on how far you want to take it and how serious you want to take it and how passive you want it to be. Because investing can be a very passive way to make money, which could be another reason why you should do it. But anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more future content.